Today, I'm Iceman. Now, I've been in Jeremy's Classic Show for a long time, so it's been a year. But today, I'm gonna meet this giant train, this blue living train, and of course, Thomas. What if Thomas was papercraft? We're gonna find out. So anyways, I remember this is gonna be the sequel, cause playing it, I was playing the Thomas and Friends game. I was in Roblox, survived the Thomas. First I played the obby, then I had to I had to play the obby, then I had to survive the Thomas, which I had to run around in. Then a stronger Thomas, and then he had to knock me out. But now, this is gonna be in the playlist. So this is the sequel. And speaking of Jeremy's Classic Show, did you know that if you watch Thomas Friends, the plane is also named Jeremy? That's cool. Maybe I should make a video right about that. And you'll see the plane. The plane's here. The papercraft. I did make a plane version. A paper version of it, but you're not gonna see him. But he's here today, but you won't see him in the video. But right now, let's stick to if Thomas was papercraft for now. So this is kind of like the sequel, and I'm gonna write Thomas. I'm gonna obviously write him, and yes, Thomas is number one, as we all know and love. And now I have to go to his go inside and take a ride. So here I go. Are you ready, Thomas? Yep, I'm ready. Making tracks for great destinations. We all know that. Let's go. It's a shame that we're just riding into one floor. We're not actually riding on tracks. Don't you think that's a little sus? Oh, it's fine. I just get used to it. Oh, that explains the question. How is Sir Toppin Hat doing? He's doing fine. Okay. So guess what? Me and Thomas, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have a little ride together with me and him. So anyways, let's have a good old time and enjoy the video. So, wait, where am I going? You didn't tell me where you're going. What was that noise? I don't know what that was, but... What the heck? What's that thing? Oh no, something hit the tracks. It sounded like it came from over here, but it started coming from over here. Oh man, yeah, this is not good. Oh, I gotta check this out. What is there a cage doing? What is there a cage doing in the tracks? I don't know. How do we move it? I don't know. I don't know how we move it. This is very heavy, and I know I'm a hero, but I'm not that strong. This is stronger. This cage. How are we gonna lift this? I'm gonna try to run it over. Okay. Ouch, my face. Well, that worked. All thanks to your help. But where am I going? Where are you going? You did not tell me where you're going. Okay, I'll tell you where I'm going. I'm going to the west. The west? Yup, I'm going to the west. Take me to the west, please. Okay. How long is the west? It probably takes like it takes hours to make it in there. We're in Philadelphia. It's kind of far away. Southwest. How do you know? I don't know. I just think that I'm a train. I don't have hands. I don't have a phone. I can't Google anything. I don't know. I don't know either. I'm just a teenager. I don't have a phone. Besides, why are you writing me? You should be in school. It's summer vacation, remember? We don't have school. That's, well, go to your house. Go to your house and Google if Southwest is, close to Philadelphia. Or far away. Or how long does it take to go to Southwest? I'll figure out until we cross that bridge. But right now, please just take me if you know where it is. I know where it is. I just don't know if it's close. Yeah, I don't know either. So me and Thomas can't find where the west is. So we're just gonna play hide and seek. So hopefully the train can't find where I am. Who wants to be the hider? Who wants to be the seeker? Shall I be the hider or shall you be the hider? Actually, cause I'm a train, I think I should be the seeker. You should be the hider. Alright, you got it. Okay. 1, 2. I know this is a weird video, but just bear with me, okay? He won't find me in here. I hope not. 2, 3, 4, 5. I was thinking that he should count backwards. And when you're playing hide and seek, we're playing hide and seek with 3 or 4 friends. Do you ever count forward or do you count backward? Do you count to 1 to 2 or 20 to 19? Ready or not, here I come. I guess that was kind of fast. Oh, he's coming in here. Come out wherever you are. Where are you? Nope, he's not in the trash. Oh. That was a close one. I got ouch. Who made that noise? Oh. Well, he's good at hide and seek. Well, guess what? He's at. But I'm not gonna run him over. That would be wrong. Ouch. Ouch. Found you. Oh, shoot. I fell down. I slipped at a rock or something. But that was fun. Yeah, that was kind of fun. Alright. It's been an awkward day for me. Oh, I'll leave now. Okay. Dun 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 dun. And since you're knocked out, I'm going to the outdoors disorder. You didn't say it. That's not how you say that. It's Man, I don't watch Thomas and Friends. I don't know. Whatever. But you said it wrong anyway. You see, characters that are so strong and buff. Not all strong. What the heck? This Thomas train just killed me.